friendly reminder. If you have not eaten, taken your meds, drank water, nor given yourself plenty of time to rest, if applicable, please do so at your earliest convenience. I don't want anything to happen to you. Jesus loves you and I love you too. And thank you for watching. And now, with that being said, please continue to enjoy today's featured presentation.
I think I like their glass. Whatever. It feels different.
There we
But
go.
no, like the glass, like.
Hello to everybody watching. Yours truly here, Joshua the Transit Prodigy. I am here at IKEA. And this is the literal calm before the storm. Okay, volumes a go. Let's zoom. There we go.
Like this countertop is nice. It's like a glass composite.
Is the audio okay? Can everybody hear me out there? Yes, no, give me a thumbs up. Okay, perfect. Thank you, thank you. All right, to those that's wondering, I am here at IKEA witnessing the airport action before the snowstorm hits tomorrow. Oh my goodness. I'm ready for this blizzard. I'm ready to provide a show. And more importantly, I hope you guys enjoy today's action. So with that being said, we shall enjoy the action. First lined up is Frontier Airlines 3112. We have Adams, the green Salamander livery going to San Juan. This was an 11:30 departure. It is 16 minutes behind schedule, but it is out of here. And today's like goal is 100 likes. So whoever's tuning in, please make sure you drop a like. I would appreciate that very much. And you know what you're here for, so drop a like for that.
Like Brendan right now is mostly doing with red eyes. And it doesn't
This Frontier Airlines.
So they're at like 10. And he's back.
Is it Airbus A320neo?
No, he says he don't want to be at because
There we go.
and like, but also that's like.
Thank you for watching today's featured video, and please have a blessed day.